Superlist is making waves in the productivity app scene, but does it live up to the hype? Today we're diving deep into what makes this tool tick and whether it truly stands out for team collaboration. Superlist positions itself as a productivity app designed for teams, boasting a sleek, intuitive interface that feels modern and user-friendly. Right off the bat, you can see it's built for collaboration, allowing team members to create tasks, share ideas, and manage projects seamlessly. The app features customizable workflows, which is great for teams with specific needs or unique project styles. However, while the basics are solid, I found some aspects a bit unclear. For instance, the integration capabilities with other tools aren't fully fleshed out on their website, leaving potential users wondering how well it'll fit into their existing setups. The app seems to cater primarily to teams that thrive on visual organization, but I'm curious how it handles more complex project management requirements. Overall, Superlist feels promising, but there's still a bit of uncertainty about how it performs in real-world scenarios. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Superlist's interface is clean and visually appealing, making it easy for teams to navigate. The collaboration features are definitely a highlight. Real-time updates keep everyone in the loop. However, there are a few drawbacks. The lack of detailed integration options might frustrate teams that rely heavily on specific tools. Additionally, some users might find the pricing a bit steep for what's currently offered, especially when compared to competitors that provide more features for similar costs. It's likely best suited for smaller teams that prioritize simplicity and aesthetics, while larger teams or those with complex workflows might want to explore alternatives that offer more robust project management features. In conclusion, Superlist has potential, especially for teams looking for a fresh, clean approach to productivity. If you're part of a small team focused on collaboration, it's definitely worth a try. However, if you need more advanced features or integrations, you might want to consider other options before committing.